Let's begin with Python, the language that continues to dominate the beginner-friendly category. Python's syntax is clean, readable, and easy to understand, making it one of the fastest languages to learn. Most people can grasp the fundamentals within 2 to 3 months of consistent practice. To become job-ready, 6 to 12 months is a realistic goal. Python is widely used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, cybersecurity, and backend development. As AI continues to expand, Python remains one of the most sought-after skills in tech. Next is JavaScript, the backbone of the internet. Every interactive website relies on it in some way. JavaScript is relatively easy to start, but takes time to master. Most learners understand the basics within a few months and can reach a junior developer level in 6 to 12 months. If you want to build websites, web applications, or work for startups and tech companies, JavaScript is one of the most valuable skills you can learn. For those interested in large-scale business software, Java remains a strong choice. Banks, healthcare providers, insurance companies, and government systems still rely heavily on Java. The learning curve is moderate, requiring more structure and discipline than Python. Becoming proficient typically takes around 1 year, but the payoff is access to a large and stable job market. If performance is your priority, C++ is one of the most powerful languages available. It's used in game engines, robotics, automotive software, aerospace systems, and high-performance applications. The learning curve is much steeper than Python or JavaScript, often requiring 1 to 2 years to become truly comfortable. However, skilled C++ developers are highly valued and often work on cutting-edge technologies. Now let's talk about one of the fastest growing areas in software development, mobile apps. If your dream is to create apps for iPhones and Apple devices, learning Swift is the way to go. Combined with SwiftUI, Apple's modern framework for building user interfaces, developers can create beautiful apps with less code than ever before. Swift is relatively approachable for beginners, and many developers can build their first real apps within a few months. The demand for iOS developers remains strong, especially in companies focused on premium mobile experiences. But what if you want to build apps for both iPhone and Android using a single codebase? That's where Flutter comes in. Flutter is a framework developed by Google that uses the Dart programming language. It allows developers to create cross-platform mobile applications from one codebase, saving companies both time and money. Flutter's learning curve is considered moderate, and many beginners can start building functional apps within 3 to 6 months. As businesses increasingly look for cost-effective development solutions, Flutter developers are becoming more valuable across startups, agencies, and enterprise companies. Another rising star is Go, also known as Golang. Created by Google, Go was designed to be simple, fast, and efficient. It's heavily used in cloud computing, backend systems, microservices, and DevOps tools. The learning curve is easier than Java and C++, making it an attractive choice for developers interested in modern infrastructure and cloud technologies. So which language should you choose? If you want the easiest start and the broadest opportunities, choose Python. If you're passionate about websites and web applications, choose JavaScript. If you're interested in stable enterprise careers, choose Java. If you want to work on games, robotics, or high-performance software, choose C++. If your goal is iPhone app development, learn Swift and SwiftUI. If you want to build apps for both Android and iOS with one codebase, learn Flutter. And if cloud computing and modern backend systems excite you, Go is a fantastic option. The reality is that no programming language guarantees success. Companies hire people who can solve problems, build projects, and demonstrate practical skills. The language is simply the tool. Choose a direction, stay consistent, build real projects, and within 6 to 12 months, you'll be far ahead of most people who are still deciding where to start. 1 year from now, you'll either wish you had started learning today, or you'll be glad that you did. The choice starts with the first line of code. If you're serious about learning programming and building a tech career, don't wait for the perfect language. Pick one, start coding today, and stay consistent. Which language are you planning to learn? Python, JavaScript, SwiftUI, Flutter, Java, C++, or Go? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you make a decision, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech and career content.